Matthew 16:24. Then Jesus said to his disciples, "If anyone wishes to follow me, take up your cross." To take up your cross is to express willingness to endure whatever may come. The cross was an instrument of death. The cross was a way to execute people. And today, what does it mean to take up your cross? Well, hear Jesus. Walk down death row and follow me. Taking up your cross is a one-way trip. There is no return ticket. As we carry the cross, we know we cannot save ourselves. To carry a cross is to imitate Jesus, Ephesians 5:1. He carried the cross, he walked down death row, so must we who follow him. To take up your cross meant one thing. You were going to a certain death, and your only hope was in resurrection power. It is written, take up your cross and follow Jesus. Yes, amen.